welcome back to another. It seems like it's been forever because like I said before, I pre-filmed videos y'all have been watching have been pre-filmed back in January and February, and we are now in the month of April. I have an unboxing, and it's not just any unboxing, it's a very special unboxing. So if you want to see what specialness I got going on, then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to click on my subscribe button, y'all, because it really helps out my channel. So with that being said, you all, we gonna jump straight into this hair unboxing. Did it again. Like, yes honey, she done did it again. I'm gonna go ahead and show you a little. I'm gonna show you. Do you see that? Do you see that? I was getting myself something from Chanel. Didn't I tell y'all I was getting myself something from Chanel? I told y'all I was getting some Chanel now. Let me just tell you, because Chanel is not that far from my job, y'all. Here I go, leaving work. I started for work early, and I was like, let me go ahead and browse through the Chanel store, because I was actually going in there for a lip gloss, you all. Yes, a lip gloss. They wrapped it so cute. When I used to see these here, see this on front of the bag, I was like, oh, I want one. So your girl got one. Nothing big. It's not a purse, because as you can see, it's very small. You know what? It's still kind of my birthday month-ish. I know it's April, but still, you know. I turned 45 and I wasn't able to go on my cruise, so of course I told y'all go big or go home. I'm just saying. So she did throw some goodies in here. She threw a lip. What type of scents I like from Chanel. I took the time to smell a lot of Chanel, so I wasn't sure. I just told her I like sweet and floral. So she threw in these Chanel Chance, 32 Chanel, and the Jersey Chanel. Smell like, but I love something free. I am so happy, you all. When I tell you I am so happy. So like I said, as you can see, it's something very small. Y'all know what this is by the shape of the box. This small. It's not an SLG, because at that particular Chanel they don't sell wallets and purses. They just sell makeup and sunglasses. So of course I went over to the sunglass wall and I fell in love with these hair glasses. I tried on a lot of glasses. I was looking at like the Ray-Ban style. They had like the diamonds on the front. The only reason why I didn't get those is because I had something similar to those in my drawer, and I felt like if I'm gonna get something from Chanel, I want it to be like over the top Chanel type thing. And those were nice, but they were more settled, like the laid back, you're not sure what you wearing type of glasses. And the amount of money I just spent on these glasses, I want you to know I'm wearing Chanel, if you get what I'm saying. My first and ever Chanel purchase, far as glasses or anything like that. So it do come in this beautiful case. The case is very big, so this case will not be able to fit in none of my small bags. I could be wrong, but looking at this case, I can already see it's too big. Ooh, whoa. With the cleaning cloth, let's see if it says Chanel. It says Chanel. So it comes with the cleaning cloth pouch, and it comes with a booklet. So that's why it's attached to all her like Chanel things. Okay, so it talks about Coco Chanel in February 1955. Like, it kind of gives you a back end story on the whole Chanel brand. I know y'all not here for that. Y'all here for these hair glasses. No, this is a black quilted case. It's like a leather quilted case. Chanel on the front. Like I said, I wanted a pair of staple glasses. I wanted those type of glasses that on is like, okay, don't talk to me, I'm not in the mood, I didn't feel like beating my face, I just ran to go grab a Starbucks, and that's it. So here are my first and ever Chanel glasses, and these probably will be my last, cause yeah, here were so beautiful. When I tell you I tried on so many glasses, and these are the ones that I fell in love with. You can see on the side it has the Chanel CCs. Like, y'all, when I tell you, I can't wait till I take my hair out and wear these. Like, these are like, I'm in bitch mode. Like, please step away. Can you move out? Can you move out my way, please? Like, can I order a Starbucks tall with 2 pumps of vanilla and blah blah blah? Like, yeah, that's what these here glasses is giving me. Like, yes, could you please get away from me right now? I'm not in the mood. I'm tired. I just came in here to grab this here shoes, and I'm ready to go. Let's go. Chop chop. Let's go. Like, yeah. Like, these hair glasses are beautiful, you all. I wipe them down because I didn't want to get makeup on it, but I had to try them on for you all. Tell you, they are freaking gorgeous. Like, you have the Chanel in the inside, and you also have the Chanel on the front of the glasses. Style of sunglasses I repeat, I do not have in my collection. Like I said, I'm more of a Ray-Ban, what is it, Key Quay, however you say that type of glasses. I have a few Choose and Gucci, but I don't have no Chanel. And I ain't gonna lie, these wasn't cheap, but I'm like, you know, I wanted them. So yeah, I wanted a small leather good, but everything I wanted was sold out. So I was just like, okay, I'll take these here sunglasses. And the lady was like, I wouldn't put these on top of your head. I'm like, I don't wear none of my designer glasses on top of my head. Like, if I want to wear glasses on top of my head, I'll probably wear my, like, my Michael Kors or my Amazon sunglasses, if I have any Amazon sunglasses. Because them little young girls she came in there with these cute glasses. They kind of look like these, but they were a little more square and boxy. She got hers from Amazon. So I was like, oh, these are cute, you know. So that's kind of where this here style came from. That look, I was like, okay, I love that look. It's like, you know, go ahead and, you know, get out of my way type thing. So yeah, I cannot wait to rock these in the summertime, you all. I'll be planning a trip because, of course, I'll be taking my Chanel glasses, y'all. When I tell you, I am super excited. Newest purchase, yes, I have some Chanel freaking sunglasses. Like, yes, Chanel. Yeah, you are. And I'm sure this case is so fancy, I could use it for other things, like maybe like a catch-all for my purse, but not sure. I would like to keep these hair glasses in this case because, oh my gosh, you all, so fancy, so cute. So if y'all liked my Chanel, my first and ever Chanel unboxing, yes, I am in love with Chanel so far. Like I said, I love her SLGs, but it's so hard to get stuff because everybody's buying everything. Like, yeah, I have these glasses because they were in stock, and like I said, the lady did tell me they are new. So with that being said, you all, if you enjoyed this here unboxing, please give this video a big thumbs up because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and my notification bell. That's right, you gotta click on that notification bell. You know why? So y'all can be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.